All right, compound interest, you've seen it before. It's where we do the interest on, add the interest on the interest. There's two different formulas that they give you. One is A equals P 1 plus R to the N, where A is the amount, P is the principal, and that's using the same sort of terminology as we did in simple interest. The syllabus has moved to this definition where it says the value in the future is equal to the present value, 1 plus R to the N. So it's replaced A and P with present value and future value. Again, it's really important that you have the time correct in terms of the interest rate. If it's in months, you've got to have, if your time is in months, you've got to have your interest rate in months. So we'll have a look at some questions together because you've done this before. Blake invests 7,000. I'm going to use the new terminology, that's present value, for 5 years, compounded at 4.5% quarterly. So that means that R is 0.045 per year. I have to divide it by 4 to get quarterly. That's a bit yucky. And if it's 5 years, I need to times the 5 by 4 to get the number of quarters, which is 20. So future value equals present value 1 plus R to the N. It's important we write the formula so we've said to the examiner I understand what the question's asking. 7,000 plus 1, and I'm going to write this because I think it's on 4 to the 20. Let's do that on our calculator. 7,000 times all in 1 plus 0.045 on 4. Geez, I love these calculators. To the power of, where's that button here? 20. I think I've got one too many zeros there. I do. There we go, $8,755. And now if they said what's the interest, you know that you would minus $7,000. Calculate the present value of an investment that has a future value. So future value, equals present value. Gosh, I didn't leave enough room here, did I? 1 plus R to the N. Compounded monthly, so I'm going to come up here and say R is 0.085 on 12 and N is 8 times 12. Now the way that they give it to you on the formula sheet is they say that present value, because that's what I'm trying to find, is equal to future value divided by all of that. But I know you people would know that because it's been times by and the opposite is divide. So it's 50,000, no, it's 500,000 over 1 plus 0.085 on 12 to the 96. And I'll do that on the calculator on pause.